Do not screw this up, shitface.
It's a fine day, people open windows, babies in
Again.
boxes, just for.
Party all day, all night, and I just wanna play my whole life. I party, party. Let's party, baby. Tell the DJ get the party crazy. I'm feeling faded like a classic pair of Ben Davis. The music's playing, hella ladies. I'm navigating through them girls like a new Mercedes. My game's
Hey, why did they call you Cheese?
Maybe it's because his face looks like a pizza.
I think it's more pepperoni than cheese. You?
That is so disgusting. Where to, guys?
Party at Ricky's house. Go home and get dressed.
Sounds good.
Hey, where's Ricky's house?
Yo, thanks for letting us use your pool, man. Let us know when your parents are out of town again.
Hey, sorry.
Hi.
Forgot my flip-flops.
Yeah. Have fun at the you know the thing.
The party?
Mm.
Yeah. Do I have a choice? Is there something else to do?
Well, you know, you are asking the wrong guy.
Yeah?
Mm.
Why is that?
I'm just the pizza boy.
Right. Well, take care. See ya.
Whack. That was seriously whack, shitface. I'm just a pizza boy? I mean, the door was open, just a crack, but it was open, and then you just had to be you, and then slam! You could make up for that fugly mug of yours. You really could, if you could just grow some balls. But no, you can't. You're more nutless than a starving squirrel. I mean, you really thought she was into you? Really? I mean, let's be honest. She was just asking to do anything besides go to that party. That didn't necessarily mean she wanted to hang out with you. You did the right thing, man. Scare her off. Operation Eliminate False Hope. Cheese. Signing off. You suck, shitface. You really suck. Watch your back, Jed. Watch your back, dude.
Jeez. What up, dude? How was that party?
It sucked. I did talk to Sarah, though, so that was awesome.
Loverboy fell on his face again.
Shut up, dude. I got everything I need here anyways. I got games, I got food, I got porn. It's awesome.
The pleasures of life.
Simple pleasures, broski.
That's all we need, man.
Watch your four, watch your four. You got guys coming on you, man.
Come on, help me
What
out
the
here.
fuck are you doing over there? I'm getting murked, dude. You help me out, man.
No, man, you gotta save yourself.
Whatever. I'm gonna go take a shit. What is going on? Turn down your volume, freak face. You blowing stuff up?
No, haven't done anything in a minute.
I think I'm gonna call it, dude. I'm gonna just fap it and crash.
It's Friday. Man, you cray.
I'm pooped. I'll catch you in the AM.
All-nighter for me. You're gonna be way behind, dude.
Mm-hmm. Wow.
Looking for something?
I don't know. It depends on what you stole, asshole.
I don't want anything of yours. That's for sure.
My dad built these fences around this place high. You're trapped.
Tell me about it.
I got a gun inside. Just drop what you have and I'll let you leave.
I don't have anything. can't leave.
Don't look at me like that. What is going on? I'm done, Nick. What did you call me? Nobody calls me that. Just tell me who you are, why you're here, and I'll let you go. I'm done with the stupid nicknames. I'm done with the spiteful, chastising pity sessions. I'm done with you, Cheese. This isn't funny anymore, man. I'm not making jokes here. Once I come out, I can't go back in. So, you and me are done. Come out of where? Who the hell are you and what the hell's going on? Oh, my reflection. How? How did you do it? Why? Why did you do it? I couldn't handle a lifetime with you. And you can just roll out on me after 16 years? Can you do that?
I can if I don't like you.
What's so bad about me, man? I'm Cheese. Everybody likes me. I haven't done anything wrong to anyone ever. Bullshit. All you do is humiliate me. What the F? You know what? Fine. Go. See if I care. I'll stare at a blank mirror for the rest of my life. I don't want to deal with the torture anymore. Do you know how disgusting your face is? It's not my face. There can't be two of us, Nick. Not for much longer, anyway. There's not two of us, you derp. There's not two of us, man. I'm the freaking Cheese. I'm the flesh and blood. I'm the original, and you're whatever you are, but you're not me, man. Look, give me a reason that I should let you stay instead of me, because I can't find one. Nick, stop calling me that! It's Cheese! Get it through your skull, it's the big Cheese! The class clown, the doofus gamer, the guy that the girls run from, the shitface!